Today we're going to talk about device display comparisons for your NARFE microsites. So it's very important. We have built this great site, and now we want to make sure that we maintain it because things do happen. I think it's called gremlins or something out there in the ether somewhere. So you want to make sure that you're always watching. So as you develop your site, you're always testing and looking, and but periodically you want to check your site. I'd like to check my site at least once a month. I do it more frequently, but I think once a month at least. Make sure all your links are working and all of those things. But one of the advantages of the WordPress platform is that it is a device agnostic. That means the capacity of a computing component to work with various systems without requiring any particular adaptations. So these devices are designed to work well on any size or type of device. Pages are designed to display appropriately, whether on a smartphone, a tablet, a laptop, or a computer. However, web designers still need to be able to view their microsite in different device formats to make sure the design decisions they've made are still appropriate. The WordPress dashboard provides an opportunity to view how your site will look on the three different formats, which is your desktop, your phone, or your tablet. So let me share my screen, and I will show you. So here's a site, and if you go to your dashboard and on the left side, scroll down to Appearance and go to Customize. Only admin can access this feature. But in Customize, there are some items here, but go all the way to the bottom and you will see three icons. The first icon is the desktop. The second one will tell you what your content will look like on a tablet. And the third one is on an iPhone. You can see that for the tablet and the iPhone or the Android, it's just compressed. It's the same data that's on the desktop. It's just compressed a little bit, and this is what but it's the same thing. You have your logo, your welcome, your posts, all the way down to your footer. The other option you can have, we get out of this, in your browser, there's another. I highly recommend using the WordPress, the way that I went through Appearance, Custom. But you can go to, I'm using Chrome. If you go to the Chrome browser, go out in any white space and right click, there's this Inspect. And I'm told that if you're Firefox, it's the same thing. There's an Inspect option. But this would show you what it would look like on your phone. And the phone and the tablet are pretty much the same. It's just more compressed on a phone than it is with a tablet. And with that, I will turn it back over to Martha.
Thank you so much. And now we're going to show a little bit about how to work on the Google Drive documents. We shared a document with everyone about how to perform a checklist for the pre-published checklist, but we didn't really pay attention to the fact that a lot of people are not familiar with using Google Drive. So Joan is going to show us how to do this. Google Drive gives us the opportunity to collaboratively edit a document. And Joan, go ahead and share your desktop.
Okay.
What we've done on these checklists is we've sent everyone an individual checklist for themselves. And here is a example of a checklist that I sent to her. And actually, if you notice in the title, can you show where the title is in the very top left, up higher?
Oh, this
Yeah,
one.
that one. I created a new title for this document because that's what I want it to look like. So in this case, we're going to just demonstrate editing. And there's a couple features I want you to show on the very top right. You can see who is looking at a document. You can
Okay,
see
I have
that.
to move this first.
Okay.
Okay, that's here.
We can see that Joan is signed into her own Google account, and you always want to make sure you sign into your Google account when you do that. And you can see that NARFE tab. I have that tab open in my browser. So you can see if anyone else is in a document at the same time. So what I'm going to ask Joan to do is show, number one, how you can do the check marks in, let's say you're going to check those first 3 items. And this is what the trainee would do. Go to one of those items and just check it. All right. Now let's say on the first item, FedHub, the trainee wants to make a comment. Joan, show how you could write in there to add a comment.
Okay. When I generally make comments, I will put them in another color. Do you want me to do that?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So I'm going to go up here where it says text color, and I'm going to use blue so that they know this is what I put in. Then if they want to put comments in, they can use another color.
So in this fashion, a trainee and a trainer can have a conversation back and forth on a document. You don't have to waste time with an email spelling out what the issues is. The trainee can write what the problem is, what their question is. The trainer can make comments in a different color so that all the information is there.